I am not feeling well. I want to see a doctor. Where is the emergency department?
我覺得唔舒服，想睇醫生。急症室喺邊啊？我覺得唔舒服，想睇醫生。急症室喺邊啊？
Where is the registration?
登記處喺邊啊？登記處喺邊啊？
I hurt my left foot. I'm unable to walk. Please give me a wheelchair.
我隻左腳傷咗，行唔到，唔該畀張輪椅我坐啊！我隻左腳傷咗，行唔到，唔該畀張輪椅我坐啊！
I feel nausea. Please give me a plastic bag.
我想嘔，唔該畀個膠袋我啊！我想嘔，唔該畀個膠袋我啊！
I have abdominal pain. Want to go to toilet. Where is the toilet?
我肚痛，想去廁所。廁所喺邊度啊？我肚痛，想去廁所。廁所喺邊度啊？
I need to book an appointment in the specialty outpatient department. Where is it?
我要去約期睇專科門診。請問專科門診喺邊度啊？我要去約期睇專科門診。請問專科門診喺邊度啊？
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.